Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla.
Alright, everybody, you must be wondering why I'm looking at you like that. You don't know sir Dancehall Skilla, you see, but what really happened this morning, it shocked me. I would never imagine, not even think, but I really see the day where something like this happened. You see me? I want to just take a look on the clip here. Really and truly just look on this. Observe.
You could not tell me that these people still exist. The police is in distress, and these two taxi men, might I add, help the police. Want to see your face in the boss. Come and show your face. Yes, man. Show your face, man. Tell the people in hello, man.
Yeah, man. Hello to the whole world, you know.
Cool, no, man. Big up yourself.
And love in the heart, you know.
Quicksilver, the man name.
Yeah.
And Tony.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I help the police, eh? Everything I lie me, I tell see police vehicle, eh? Yeah, man. I really appreciate this kind of assistance. Yeah, man, not every day citizens are willing to stop and help the police.
Taxi man, I help policeman changing car tire. You know much taxi man goodly look on that taxi man and say, yeah idiot, you help him fix tire for correct down and get a ticket. You know much taxi man supposed to might be in a malice that the taxi man to help out this policeman. You know, because I tell you something, yo. You see in a Jamaica, yeah, taxi man, I help policeman, them the way they in a this Jamaica, yeah. No, sir. I have to go buy that in a cash pot. But may I tell you, but listen to me good, saying like really and truly, yo. One beautiful thing. You know, fun and joke aside, that thing is a beautiful thing. You see me? Yeah, no more hatred, no more what and what, you understand? Yes, we know, say that there are bad policemen out there with the ticket book and pocketing money, you know, for get rid of, for boots for themselves instead of upholding the law. Yes, we know all that happened. There is more than evidence of proof of police taking bribes and these things and so forth, you know? Yeah, you know what I mean? But may I tell you, none of that is not even what really grabbed my attention right now. What grabbed my attention is the fact that the taxi man stopped and helped him change the tire. Whole heap of respect to you, yeah, brother. Yeah, man, the taxi man, me I talk, man. Whole heap of respect to you. You see me, I say, you is what they call a Samaritan. No, the good Samaritan. Right? So big up yourself. As I say, yeah, let's live and let's live. Forget and everybody just alright. You see it? Alright, look, people. I know say a whole heap of you go comment about this one, you know. Yes, I say, because I tell you something. You know, people not really often when it comes to police thing, you know, they even want to repeat some of the things that we know some people I could really want to say. You see it? Jano, yo. Alright, again, anyways, let me know nothing. You know, don't forget to keep it clean. Yes, I said, I have to make sure I tell them to keep it clean, because I know enough people don't like to keep it clean in the comments. You understand? Yeah, and if you're brand new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Yeah, man. My name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skilla's Entertainment.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.